I have just joined. It's my 5th month in first year. I just attended the counseling this year only. When I got my rank, I knew I will get some decent branch with it, but I was not sure about if I would get surgery or anesthesia, and my third choice was pathology. He is like very close senior, so I asked him ki what should I do. He said ki you first log into Zynard and make a list. I started making lists. I even prepared list for like name of college with state, with stipend, with bond, like how the toxicity and everything. Then I started sorting it out. Zynard helped me more in Telegram. Like I got the data from the app, but the groups actually helped me because there were respective state groups. So I asked in those colleges where I was interested, because you have to see everything, right? You have to see the connectivity, you have to see whether the place is developed or not, or is it safe for women or not. It is a basic means which I have come across by talking to people on Zynard only. And then how to fill the choice filling also. There were videos which guided me how to prioritize what you want. You have to actually put the entire list very precisely. Otherwise, you will end up in a college which is not that good. So everything was helped because of Zynard. It was 4 months and I was like completely engrossed in Zynard for 4 months. Like I had to ask people from each and everything because any opportunity is a miss opportunity. In my first counseling, I got DNB general surgery in Manipur. I had to contact the seniors from Manipur and everything, and all was because of Zynard. Because I got the group of Manipur, I talked about the hospital, they told me about stipend and everything, how much exposure I'm going to get as a general surgeon. So that was one of the reasons because of which I did not choose DNB. And then I talked to many people, even in pathology. I even talked to the seniors in this college, and they told me that there's plenty of time to even pursue your academics also. And there are like hundreds of things which is going on in the college. Means like it was a very strong indication to take college here. In government website, you won't know about the patient load, or you won't know about the toxicity, you won't know about the mess availability, the fees. Even the fees is also, there are hidden fees in like many medical colleges. You don't get all this stuff from government websites. You don't even get how many bedded hospital exactly it is from a government website. All this information is present in Zynard. That is the best thing. You have to literally take loans from people in PG preparation, and this is real because you cannot ask money from your parents when you are 26, 27-year-old and already a doctor. You don't have 1 lakh rupees to give to a counselor. So Zynard charges very nominal fee, and it was like it made my work very easier. My friend also went through the same counseling. The only thing which she did wrong was that she flipped the college, like when she was filling. That was because of a private counselor. I can say that pretty much 95% of people who were in contact with me have subscribed to Zynard. The reason was people know about it now.